और यहाँ आपको बराह रास्त लिए चलते हैं जहाँ पर यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ लंदन के वफ्द के एजाज़ में तकरीब जारी है।
University of London, and some of them are visiting for the first time. We're honored to have this delegation led by Professor Phil, who is the Pro Vice Chancellor for Education and Partnership. Phil and the delegation, thank you for coming to Pakistan. Without further ado, I would request Professor Phil, the Pro Vice Chancellor for Education and Partnerships, to formally start this event by welcoming all the guests. Phil, please, if I could have you on the stage.
Thank you for joining us for this important conversation about the future of work. Today we bring together government leaders, employers, alumni and colleagues from our recognised teaching centres to explore how we can collectively build a skilled generation ready to thrive in a rapidly changing world. The University of London has been part of Pakistan's higher education landscape now for nearly 3 decades, and our mission remains as clear as ever: to provide world-class, high-quality, future-facing education that equips students with the knowledge, the skills and confidence to not only enter the world of work, but to succeed in it. This week, a delegation of senior University of London staff are visiting Pakistan, travelling across Islamabad, Lahore and Karachi. They are Janie Kingsley, our Global Director of Business Development, who leads the work of developing and supporting our global network of recognised teaching centres, as well as our other business activities. We launched the Mary Stiazni Scholarship here in Pakistan, and the scholarship aims to create 3 full-time scholarships for students in Pakistan. And following further support from additional philanthropic partners, we have seen 3 further Mary Stiazni scholars begin their studies this academic year. Our commitment to lifelong learning continues, and we have been delighted to support scholarship across the globe, including in Pakistan. Later this week, we will launch a philanthropic teacher training program in partnership with the Punjab Ministry of Education and the Punjab Education Curriculum Training and Assessment Authority. Through this initiative, the university will deliver a series of high-impact professional development sessions over a 12-month period, providing continuing professional development support for up to 900 primary and secondary school teaching practitioners. For the University of London, it represents a meaningful step in deepening our long-term commitment to Pakistan through sustained values-driven collaboration, focused on teacher development and system-wide enhancements. I'd like to finish by thanking you for being part of this shared mission. By working together, we can empower the next generation of leaders, the graduates who will not only meet the challenges, but shape Pakistan's future and succeed on the global stage. Thank you.
Now I'd request our Director for Careers, Victoria Wade, to please come on the stage and talk a little about initiatives we've taken for employability and some things we plan to do in Pakistan. Thank you.
Thank you, Saad, and thank you, everybody. It's an absolute honour to be here. Thank you. At the University of London, we are committed to preparing students for the future of work. Across every sector, the skills demanded by employers are evolving at pace. It is no longer enough for students to simply master their academic subjects. They need to understand how the knowledge they gain translates into the skills that will make them thrive in the workplace. At the University of London Career Service, we're working closely with academics to bridge that gap. Using research from the World Economic Forum and other places, we have identified 10 core key global employability that graduates will need to thrive and succeed in any sector, from critical thinking and problem solving to digital literacy and adaptability. These skills are human skills. Together with our academic colleagues, we map these skills across the curriculum, showing students how they are developing these as part of their studies.